Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Thanks for signing up and going and getting this video link from us. Today we're going to talk about a couple different things you can do to send us a proper picture or video for a damage assessment. So first off, one of the most important things with any type of dent or anything like that is a clean vehicle. So first off, run your vehicle through one of the local car washes or wash it yourself and get the vehicle nice and spotless for us. So that'll be the basis of this estimating process. Here's some good footage of what your average door ding looks like when the vehicle's dirty at a gas station. You can see some damage, but it's not quite the detail that we need. Alright, now the second most important thing is going to be the lighting. We're always going to recommend somebody to take a picture or video at, like for instance, a gas station with an overhang over top of it, somewhat shade too. And then use the reflection of the poles or the gas pump to kind of pan the camera back and forth in order to get us a good quality video. Your second option for a location would be just where you were just at, a car wash bay. So a car wash bay typically have lots of big open doors, but it's got an overhang in order to cover the top of the car wash. So that's my next choice for sending us a picture or video. All right, and last but not least, this one's here for people that have garages. Now, first thought is, you don't need any kind of nice lighting, or actually you don't need any lighting at all. This footage here was actually shot in my own personal garage with no lights on whatsoever. So you are able to still send us footage from at your own house with the garage lights off. All right, and now this is step 3. This is also very important step. So we're gonna go ahead and tell you to whip out your cell phone, just like we've got here, and take a picture or video. So we're gonna start with picture mode first. You're gonna actually take out your cell phone, turn it sideways, turn on the camera, and take 3, we typically like 3 minimum photos. So we're gonna start off with the photo at a head-on position, just like this, so straight forward. And then I'm gonna take 1 or 2 steps off to the side and angle myself at an angle to take a picture. And then we're gonna do the exact same thing over here. So you've got essentially a V-style format coming in like this in one head-on. Now, for the next step is a video style. Now, we're gonna again take out our cell phone, sideways, turn on the video mode, and we're gonna just pan the camera back and forth. So basically we're gonna be starting over here, again, lens on, pretending this is the dent, and we're gonna walk sideways and kind of go around a corner like this. If you can do this typically once or twice, that's the best. And also if you could take the video and go up and down and kind of angle it at the dent, this will give us the absolute best idea of what type of damage we're looking at. That's the how to take a picture or video of your damage for us. If you've got any questions on any of it at all, feel free to reach out to us at 605-595-4061, or you can shoot us an email at siouxfallsdentrepair@gmail.com. We'll go ahead and answer any of your questions, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.